Hi and welcome to this week's web design video blog. Today we're going to take a look at some of the different ways of integrating Twitter or tweets onto your website.
First we'll take a look at the goodies or widgets that are available directly on Twitter's website.
Then we'll show you a method using PHP for displaying your latest tweet as plain HTML on your web page. So you can find Twitter goodies quite simply at twitter.com/goodies. As you can see, you get the choice of widgets or buttons, so we check out the buttons first. You have to make sure that you're logged into your Twitter account to be able to see and use these. As you can see, they all say follow me. There's a little link here to change the buttons to say follow us if you're a group or a company. Select the button that you wish to use, click on it, then it gives you the HTML code that you need to copy and paste onto your web page to use that button. If you're looking for something a bit more dynamic, you can use Twitter's widgets. So if we click there, and then you've got the choice of choosing a widget for your website or Facebook, so we'll say website, and we'll choose a profile widget. And then over on the right hand side you can see the widget streaming our latest tweets along with links and how long ago they were posted. You've also got the ability to change the preferences, appearance, the dimensions of the widget on the right hand side. And once you're happy, simply press finish and grab code, and then you can quite literally copy and paste the HTML it provides onto your web page.
Whilst Twitter's widgets are excellent and easy to install on your website, you may be looking for a solution that gives more design control and works better for SEO.
My colleague Rob and I came across some PHP written by Ryan Barr on scriptplayground.com that fetches your latest tweet from your Twitter's account's RSS feed.
The PHP hack simply outputs your latest tweet as plain HTML, allowing you to wrap and style your tweet however you like.
Having implemented and played around with the PHP, Rob and I did find a few glitches like the links in tweets being broken, but we've since recoded the script and made it even easier to implement and understand.
James is making it sound a bit complicated, but it's not, so let's take a look.
So this is the end result. We've just put our latest tweet in a little speech bubble with an icon of a Twitter bird. You can also click here if you're looking at this on our supporting blog post to download the zip folder of everything you're about to see. If we view the source of this HTML page, you'll see that our latest tweet is just put out quite simply in normal HTML without the use of any JavaScript or Flash, which is good for SEO and search engines crawling the page. We have a look at our latest tweet on our Twitter profile. It says we have just pre-ordered our first copy of Creative Suite 5, and obviously that's what's displayed on our little Twitter widget that we're just making now. So if you download the supporting files and we open them up, this is index.php where the example is. And as you can see, there's just a small little div with the ID of latest tweet here. And we have a very small piece of PHP where we're defining our Twitter ID, which is Creare group there. And then a PHP include, which pulls the supporting PHP file, which gets the latest tweet. So if we take a look at that file next, you don't actually have to edit anything on here. If you just want to have the effect like we've created in the example, you don't have to touch this file. But in here you have the ability to change the prefix and the suffix if you wish, then this is where we've added some code which links through underneath your latest tweet to your Twitter ID on twitter.com. So all you have to do is take this little piece of PHP here, place this onto your page or your template where you'd like your latest tweet to appear, and then simply save latest tweet.php either onto the root of your website or in a subfolder like includes, for example. But if you do put it inside a subfolder, just make sure that you update the include link, so you'd add /includes/latest tweet just here. So just to show you how easy this is to use, if we look at somebody else's Twitter, like Adobe for example, so twitter.com/Adobe, and we look at their latest tweet, which talks about Max 2010, call for speakers is open. So if we change the Twitter ID here from Creare Group to Adobe, and then we upload this to the server, we should see the latest tweet from Creare Group change to the latest tweet from Adobe with working links. So quite a nice little feature to have on your website, and it, as like I said, it puts out the latest tweet in HTML rather than in JavaScript or Flash or using any other technique. Just a reminder that the file pack that we used in the video is available to download for free at our supporting blog post at crearedesign.co.uk/blog/videos.